What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to enable or disable features of your WPBakery WordPress plugin into its version 9 or bigger, okay, the new versions. But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. WPBakery is changing the design, the UI on version 9, and some things has changed. You can now enable or disable the features that you are not using. For example, imagine that you do not want to use the SEO features of this plugin. You can disable and save memory, save page loading time, save lines of code. This is very good for site optimization. How to do this? This is what you're gonna learn in today's video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, into the browser address bar, enter your domain plus wp-admin, enter with your login credentials, review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over WPBakery Page Builder, and hit the submenu Models Manager. And right here, you're going to be able to find the SEO features. Are you using this? No, you can remove. AI, are you using? No, you can remove. The custom JS, custom CSS, up to you. You can enable or disable any single part of the plugin. In the case that you are not using, for example, the color picker or the typography of the plugin. Your theme already have a typography set up. You can disable, save changes, and save lines of code. Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!